This is how to send a group text on your iPhone. The first thing you need is a group of contacts. So go into your phone app. This is the easiest way to get to contacts. Tap on contacts. Make sure all the people you want to add to your message group are in here. To add people, just tap on the plus and you can add contacts with name and phone number or what have you. If they have an iMessage account, they don't even need a phone number. You can just add their email if that's the one associated with their Apple ID. So once you have that set up, go into Messages and tap on the little pencil on the paper icon on the bottom right. That's going to create a new message. And now we can add people. Let's add that one. Let's add, I'm going to search for me. You can search for their names using that search bar down there. Let's add another one. If you add someone that has multiple ways for you to contact them, it's going to open their contact card and you got to pick which option you want to use. And then they'll be added. And you notice some of them are in green. In this case, one of them is in green and two are in blue. The green is going to be a text message because that's not an iPhone. And then the blue ones are going to be iMessage because those are iPhones. And once you have everybody added, you just type your message down here and you tap send. And this is green because one of the people in this group is green. If they were all on iPhones, it would show blue. And that's how you send a group message. And now everybody can respond in that message thread. This is how group messages look in your iMessages list. You see multiple contact bubbles in there. Both those people don't have a photo for their contacts, so just their initials. But there's two people there, and I'm as well, so that's 3 in total. And then this is a single person, single, and there's 3 people in this one, and then I'm in there too, so it's 4 people in total. And if there's a whole heck ton of people, it's not going to be able to show all the initials. But that's how you create group messages. Pretty straightforward, but they're super useful. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right here, which shows you how to empty the trash bin on your iPhone. Super important that you do that on a regular basis. So check out that video and I'll see you there.